Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Confections with me, Karen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super delicious and simple coffee beverage with only 3 ingredients, and all you need is a whisk. So come on, let's get started. What I'm gonna show you how to make today is this coffee beverage that's been trending all over social media, all over YouTube, Instagram, trending more than the freaking Kardashians, if that's even possible, but it's been popping up everywhere. It's this coffee beverage called Dalgona Coffee, and I think it was trending in South Korea. It was discovered in South Korea, and only takes 3 ingredients to make, and that's it, and a whisk. So come on, let's go to the kitchen and whip this up.
Okay guys, so let's gather our ingredients. You're gonna need instant coffee, sugar, and also hot water.
All right, so you would need a large bowl to measure out all your ingredients, and the best part about this recipe is that it's a 1:1 part ratio. So I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of the instant coffee. Use the instant coffee that doesn't have sugar in it, just the plain granules. All right, so that's 4 parts there, and then I got 4 parts sugar. And then 4 parts hot water. Don't worry if it's not exact. It works just as fine. All right, so now let's move on to how we actually make this all come together. All right, guys, so it's whatever you have at home. You can either use this, just a plain whisk, or this, an electric whisk. And all my life, I've been taught work smarter, not harder. So I'm gonna choose this and save my energy for something else. But if you really don't have a electric whisk, just use your hand whisk. Get your neighbor. Oh, don't get your neighbor. Quarantine time, don't get your neighbor. Get your kids or whatever to come and help you. And yeah, so that, you know, they'll sleep soundly tonight. So yeah, let's get whisking. So just a warning to the people that are actually just using a hand whisk, it's gonna take about 400 strokes to get to where we want it to be. So good luck to you guys, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, so here's the final product. Look how pretty it is. It's light, fluffy. It kind of looks like egg whites when you whisk it to like medium peak. So this took 3 to 4 minutes through an electric whisker. So if you're doing it by hand, more power to you, because that's gonna take a lot longer, but it's gonna get there eventually. And look on the bright side, you did your exercise for the day, so you killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Congratulations. All right, so now what you wanna do is go get a cup, fill it 3/4 of the way with like milk or soy milk or almond milk, whatever milk you usually drink. And we'll come back to this. Okay guys, so I got a cup of milk here, and now I'm just going to spoon the coffee mixture into the cup. Ooh, it looks fancy already. I mean, fill it to however you think looks good. All right, I like it like that. I'm gonna use a little chopstick and kind of swirl it to make it a little fancy. All right, so I'll let you see what this looks like. Ta-da! So this is what we made. All right, so how to drink this? Don't just drink the foam on top because that's too bitter, too sweet. So I would I'm gonna take a chopstick because that's what I got lying around the house. And I'm gonna whisk in the foam with the milk. Just a tip, don't fill the foam too much to the top like I did because I did it just for photo purposes, but yeah, fill it up even less so that you don't get spillage. And mix, 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 mix. Okay. Cheers. Mmm. Delicious. This tastes like a beverage you would get at like a fancy coffee shop that would probably cost you like $5, $6. So you can make this at home, 3 simple ingredients, and you know, you got yourself a little gourmet coffee thing here. So yeah, I hope you had fun making it. Again, we're at this weird time in the world. So please, I'm trying to make things that are accessible to you, doesn't take much ingredients. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and also leave some comments down below. Maybe you have a recipe you would like to share that only takes a couple of ingredients and easy and simple. So yeah, until next time, please be safe. Also, end your day with something sweet, and I'll see you next time. Bye.